Okay, so take a circle and draw a clear circle. And let's go to mood. Mood 2. Take mood 2 and change chibi shape like that. So you got the chibi hat. Cute. So I take a new layer and draw I divide 3 parts for eye. Nose and lip. So let's start drawing eye shape. So I'm not going to draw another eye. Take lasso tools and slap eye and duplex the layer and change side. I mean left and right sides. So you got another eye. So easy. Okay, let's draw a nose and lips. Symmetry rollers to draw ears and eyebrows. So it's easy to draw 2 sides. So it's time to draw hair. I mark 3 lines and I start drawing the middle. And I don't know how shape I will draw, but let's draw. Search any hairstyles on Pinterest or like any other YouTube channels, and I would draw like short haired. And so let's start the body. I will skip for first because the body is not the main in that video. After drawing the body, I make all the layer to 1 layer and make a new layer and sketch layer, retrieve the opacity, and I make a footer, and put the sketch layer to the top, and in footer layer 1 or 2, just pick a new layer and start drawing the outline. I select brown to draw the outline and I start drawing. I will skip a little first because it is already know how to draw, I think. So we finish all the outline. So in the footer, put all the outline to the top and take a new layer on below the bottom, and let's draw the skin color. Yeah. So we have to fill the skin color. After finishing the skin color, we need a new layer and clip to the skin layer. Maybe I'm not sure. And so take the airbrush and add some pink color in some face. So it is finished, and after that we need to draw the eye. So I take another brush and I start drawing the eyes. First, base color white, a little pink, and I start drawing the bases white, and I will draw the eye line. So use again ruler to draw both sides. In this video, I will not show how to draw the eyes because I forgot to record. Yeah, I will show later in another tutorial. But it's quite easy. But you need to draw the eye line and fill the color you want and send at the highlight. You may see the eye is really easy, that's not complicated. So after that, let's draw the eyelids and highlight for a cheek and some eyeshadows. And we need the shade of the eyebrows or nose, like that, so we must add it very softly, yeah. And so it is time to adapt the body shade. Not actually body, face shape. First, I added some dark skin colored. After editing that, we must add some purple colored. And yellow. Now it's time to draw nose and lip, so I added new layer and clip to the skin layer. Don't forget to clip to the skin layer. So I take airbrush and added some pink. So my lip is so thick, so I added another line and after finish the skin, the face, let's draw hair. Hair also so easy. For hair, take new layer. Don't forget to take new layers. If you split new layers, so it is easy to draw, and if you don't like, it's easy to delete. So after finishing the base layer for hair, take another dark color of yellows and add some shadow. In some place, not every place. And again choose the darker layer and add it again in some place below them. 1. So it's all finished the darker shade, so it's time to the highlight. So we need to choose the lighter color of the yellows and take fake brush. Yeah, maybe it is pan fade and added some light and again pan fade. Choose the color of the base layers and make the highlight. And added some light in L. Choose another lighter color and add it. So we forgot to draw the eyebrows. So draw it. So it is time to draw the clothes. I'm not mention how to draw because maybe this is the main target of that video. It's not, so how is this? It's quite easy, then I make it's a mess. It's not the main though. I added the base, darker color, and then highlight. That's all. That's all I did. So after all, in the recess, it's all finished. Change background color. So you see, that is the effect. It is not important if you don't want to do it. Maybe I will show later how to use that effect, or maybe you will also know how to use. So bye. See you in next videos.